children. Now I am going to take English for you. So this is revision. Okay children. So I think all of you have completed your classwork. So if you have completed your classwork, open your classwork and take lesson number 7. The lesson name is The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. Okay children. The lesson name is The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. Open that one. I'll read. Listen carefully. Okay children. This is revision. Okay children. So lesson number 7. The lesson name is The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. Okay children. The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. Okay children. So I think all of you have opened your classwork. Now I am going to read the revisions. Listen carefully. First main words. First one foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. Second one donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Third one farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Fourth one Shyam, S-H-Y-A-M, Shyam. Fifth one wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. Sixth one market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Seventh one village, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Eighth one leading, L-E-A-D-I-N-G, leading. Ninth one clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Tenth one shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. So these are the odd words. Once again I am going to read. First one foolish, second one donkey, third one farmer, fourth one Shyam, fifth one wanted, sixth one market, seventh one village, eighth one leading, ninth one clothes, tenth one shoulder. Okay children. Now second main, fill in the blanks. First one, the foolish farmer and his son had a dash. So in the dash you must write donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Second one, the dash climbed the donkey first. So in the dash you must write son, S-O-N, son. Third one, they wanted to go to the dash to buy dash. So in the first dash you must write town. In the second dash you must write clothes, T-O-W-N, town, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Fourth one, Shyam's son felt dash. So in the dash you must write H-U-M-I-L-I-A-T-E-D, humiliated. Now next one, fifth one, the farmer and his son carried the donkey on their dash. So in the dash you must write shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again I am going to read. First one, the foolish farmer and his son had a donkey. Second one, the son climbed the donkey first. Third one, they wanted to go to the town to buy clothes. Fourth one, Shyam's son felt humiliated. Fifth one, the farmer and his son carried the donkey on their shoulder. Okay children. Now next main, answer the following questions. First one, who had a little donkey? Answer, the foolish farmer had a donkey. T-H, the F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. H-A-D, had. A D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. The foolish farmer had a donkey. Second one, why did the farmer and his son go to the town? Answer. The farmer and his son went to the town to buy clothes. T-H, the farmer, A and HIS is SOM son, WENT went, TO2 TH the, TOWN town, TO2 BUY by, CLOTHES close. The farmer and his son went to the town to buy clothes. Third one. What did the people say when the son rode the donkey? Answer. When the son rode the donkey, people said, "You are happily riding the donkey while you are poor, old and exhausted for the walks alongside." WHEN when, TH the SON son, RODE road, TH the DONKEY donkey, PEOPLE people, SAID said, YOUU or HAPPILY happily, RIDING riding, TH the DONKEY donkey, WHILE while, YOUR your, POO or poor, OLD old, AND EXHAUSTED exhausted, FATHE of father, WALKS walks, ALONGSIDE alongside. Next, fourth one. What did the people say when Sham rode the donkey? Answer. When Sham rode the donkey, the people said, "How can you coolly ride the donkey while your son has to walk all the way?" WHEN when, SHYAM Sham, RODE road, TH the DONKEY donkey, TH the PEOPLE people, SAID said, HOW how, CAN YOUU COOLLY coolly, RIDE ride, TH the DONKEY donkey, WHILE while, YOUR your, SON son, HIS has, TO2 WALK walk, ALL all, TH the WAY way. Fifth one. What did the farmer and his son do after the man in the town spoke to them? Answer. The farmer and his son jumped off the donkey when the man in the town spoke to them. TH the FARME of farmer, AND HIS is SON son, JUMPED jumped, OFF of, TH the DONKEY donkey, WHEN when, TH the MAN man, IN in, TH the TOWN town, SPOKE spoke, TO2 THEM them. So these are the question answers. Now next main, match the meanings. In the A side they are given, first one foolish, second one ridicule, third one exhausted, fourth one offended, fifth one hoisted. In the B side they are given, raised by means of ropes, annoyed, lacking good sense, making fun of, feel very tired. So you must match this one. Foolish means in the B side, in the third line it is there, lacking good sense. So there you write number 1. Second one, ridicule. In the B side, in the fourth line it is there, making fun of. So there you write number 2. Third one, exhausted. So in the B side, in the fifth line it is there, feel very tired. So there you write number 3. Fourth one, offended. So in the B side, in the second line it is there, annoyed. There you write number 4. Fifth one, hoisted. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, raised by means of ropes. So there you write number 5. Now I am going to say the correct answer. Foolish, lacking good sense. Ridicule, making fun of. Exhausted, feel very tired. Offended, annoyed. Hoisted, raised by means of ropes. Okay, children. Now next main, write the opposites. First one, foolish, wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Second one, everyone, no one, N-O-O-N-E, no one. Village, town, T-O-W-N, town. Cruel, kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Lost, found, F-O-U-N-D, found. So these are the opposites. Once again I am going to repeat. Foolish, wise. Everyone, no one. Village, town. Cruel, kind. Lost, found. Now next main, write plurals of the singular words. So they are given singular means only one. So you must write plural. Plural means more than one. So donkey, donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys. Second one, teacher, teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers. Third one, story, stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Man, men, M-E-N, men. Authority, authorities. A-U-T-H-O-R-I-T-I-E-S, authorities. So these are the plurals. Once again I am going to read. Donkey, donkeys. Teacher, teachers. Story, stories. Man, men. Authority, authorities. Now next main, write she word for the given he words. He words means men. She words means woman, like that. Masculine gender, feminine gender. First one, lion. So it is a masculine gender. For feminine gender, you must write for lion means lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness means ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹುಲಿ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹುಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಗರ್, tigress, T-I-G-E-R-E-S-S, tigress. Third one, cock, hen, H-E-N, hen. Fourth one, waiter, waitress, W-A-I-T-R-E-S-S, waitress. So these are the she words for the given he words. Once again I will repeat. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Cock, hen. Waiter, waitress. Now next main, write one rhyming word for the given words. First one, crowd, proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Sun, one, W-O-N, one. Ride, side, S-I-D-E, side. Fourth one, fool, tool, T-O-O-L, tool. Fifth one, lost, fast, F-A-S-T, fast. Now next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. First one, here the letters are not arranged properly. You must arrange the letters properly and write. E-Y-D-N-K-O. So the correct spelling is D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Second one, G-I-S-T-H. So the correct spelling is S-I-G-H-T, sight. Third one, A-R-F-E-R-M. So the correct spelling is F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Fourth one, N-O-S. So the correct spelling is S-O-N, sun. Fifth one, E-T-M-R-K-A. So the correct spelling is M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Okay children. First one, donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Second one, sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. Third one, farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Fourth one, sun, S-O-N, sun. Fifth one, market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now next main, fill in the blanks with is, am, or. First one, I dash a girl. So in the dash it must come am, am. Second one, we dash brothers. So in the dash you must write A-R-E-R. Third one, it dash a cat. So in the dash you must write is. Fourth one, you dash a boy. So in the dash you must write a or e, or you are a boy. Fifth one, we dash good boys. So in the dash you must write a or e, or. Sixth one, she dash a girl. In the dash you must write is. So once again I am going to read, I am a girl. Second one, we are brothers. Third one, it is a cat. Fourth one, you are a boy. Fifth one, we are a good boys. Sixth one, she is a girl. Now next main, rewrite the given sentence with capital letters and full stop. So here in the starting they are not written capital letters, small letters they are written, and in the end you must keep full stop. After writing that sentence you must keep full stop. So your W must come capital letter. We are in park. So we are in park, afterwards you must keep full stop. Okay children. Next second one, you are brother and sister. Here Y must come capital letter. Okay children, Y must come capital letter. You are brother and sister. So after writing sister you must keep full stop. Okay children. So any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already finished your classwork, written in the classwork, you please practice in the rough note. Don't write once again in the classwork. If you have not completed your classwork, you see this video and complete your classwork. Okay children. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬರೀದಿರೋದು ಮುಗಿದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಗಲೇ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ರಫ್ ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.